Welcome to my next video, similarity, in which we have to study similar triangles and practice set 1.3. Similar triangles. When we can say two triangles are similar, consider two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. If corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, means angle A is congruent to angle D, angle B is congruent to angle E, and angle C congruent to angle F, and the ratio of their corresponding sides are in proportion, means AB upon DE is equal to BC upon EF is equal to AC upon DF. Then we can say that triangle ABC and triangle DEF are similar triangles, and it is expressed as triangle ABC similar triangle DEF. Test of similarity of triangles. For similarity of two triangles, the necessary conditions are that their corresponding sides are in proportion and their corresponding angles are congruent. Out of these conditions, when three specific conditions are fulfilled, the remaining conditions are automatically fulfilled. Depending on the conditions, there are different tests for similarity. First one, AAA test, AAA test. That means angle test. For a given correspondence of vertices, when corresponding angles of two triangles are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. For example, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in correspondence ABC to PQR, if angle A congruent angle P, angle B congruent angle Q, and angle C congruent angle R, then triangle ABC similar triangle PQR. That means three angles of one triangle are congruent with the corresponding angles of other triangle. Then these two triangles are said to be similar triangle by AAA test. Now AA test. When two angles of one triangle are congruent to two corresponding angles of another triangle, then this condition is sufficient for similarity of two triangles, and this condition is called as AA test of similarity. Okay. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is congruent to angle P, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Only two corresponding pairs of angles are congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are similar by AA test. Next test, SAS test. That means side angle side test of similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, if two pair of corresponding sides are in same proportion and the angles between them are congruent, then the two triangles are similar. For example, in triangle KLM and triangle RST, angle KLM congruent angle RST, and two pairs of corresponding sides, that means KL upon RS is equal to LM upon ST, that is equal to 2 upon 3. That means corresponding sides are in proportion and the angle between them are congruent. Therefore, these two triangles are said to be similar by SAS test. Now SAS test for similarity of triangles. For a given correspondence of vertices of two triangles, when three sides of a triangle are in proportion to corresponding three sides of another triangle, then the two triangles are similar. For example, in triangle PQR and triangle XYZ, the ratio of corresponding sides are in proportion. That means PQ upon YZ is equal to QR upon XY is equal to PR upon XZ is equal to 1 upon 2. Therefore, triangle PQR similar triangle ZYX by X. Now properties of similar triangles. First property, triangle ABC similar triangle ABC. That means each triangle is similar to itself, and this property is known as reflexivity. Second property, if triangle ABC similar triangle DEF, then triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC. That means if first triangle is similar to second triangle, then second triangle is similar to first one, and this property is known as symmetry. Third property, if triangle ABC is similar to triangle DEF and triangle DEF is similar to triangle GHI, then triangle ABC is similar to triangle GHI. That means if first triangle is similar to second triangle and second triangle is similar to third triangle, then first and third triangles are similar to each other, and this property is known as transitivity. Okay. Now practice set 1.3. First problem. In figure, angle ABC is equal to 75 degree. Angle EDC is equal to 75 degree. State which two triangles are similar and by which test. Also write the similarity of these two triangles by a proper one-to-one correspondence. Now observe the figure. We have to find out two triangles which we can show similar to each other. There are two triangles, triangle ABC and triangle EDC, in which angle B of triangle ABC, angle D of triangle EDC are congruent, each of 75 degree, and in both triangle angle C is a common angle. Therefore we can say in triangle ABC and triangle EDC, angle ABC congruent angle EDC because each 75 degree. Angle BCA congruent angle DCE common angle. Therefore triangle ABC similar triangle EDC by AA test. Okay. Second problem. Are the triangles in the given figure similar? If yes, by which test? Here PQ is equal to 6, PR equal to 10, QR equal to 8, LM equal to 3, LN equal to 5 and MN is equal to 4. You should note that here we have given the lengths of sides of two triangles. For the similarity of two triangles, we know one test. If the corresponding sides of two triangles are in proportion, then we can say two triangles are similar. Let's check. Now PQ upon LM is equal to 6 upon 3 equal to 2. QR upon MN is equal to 8 upon 4 equal to 2. RP upon NL equal to 10 upon 5 equal to 2. Now from this we can write PQ upon LM is equal to QR upon MN is equal to RP upon NL. Means the ratio of corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore triangle PQR similar triangle LMN by side test, that is by SSS test. Next problem. As shown in figure, two poles of height 8 meter and 4 meter are perpendicular to the ground. If the length of shadow of smaller pole due to sunlight is 6 meter, then how long will be the shadow of the bigger pole at the same time? Now we have to draw a figure in which PR and AC are the poles, QR and AC are respective shadows. After joining PQ and AB, we get triangle PRQ and triangle ACB, in which PR equal to 4, RL equal to 6 and AC equal to 8, that is given. Now in triangle PRQ and triangle ACB, angle PRQ and angle ACB are congruent, each of 90 degree. That is given. Angle QPR is congruent angle BAC because these angles are made by sunlight on top of the pole. Therefore, triangle PRQ similar triangle ACB by A test. As two triangles are similar to each other, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, we can write PR upon AC is equal to QR upon BC. Corresponding sides are proportional. Therefore, putting the values, we get 4 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon BC. After simplification, we get BC equal to 12 meter. Therefore, the length of shade of bigger pole due to sunlight is 12 meter. Okay. Next problem. In triangle ABC, AP perpendicular BC, BQ perpendicular AC, BPC, AQC. Then prove that triangle CPA similar triangle CQB. If AP is equal to 7, BQ equal to 8, BC equal to 12, then find AC. Now here we have to write what is given. In triangle ABC, AP perpendicular BC, BQ perpendicular AC, BPC and AQC. Then write to prove triangle CPA similar triangle CQB. Now first of all, we have to see which two triangles we have to show similar. Look at the figure. In these two triangles, angle P and angle Q are congruent, each of 90 degree, which is given. Now another condition we have to find out so that these two triangles will be similar to each other. Now which condition is there? We have to find it. Then we get angle C is common to both the triangles. Then we can write proof like this. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, angle CPA congruent angle CQB, each of 90, that is given. Angle C congruent angle C, common angle. Therefore, triangle CPA similar triangle CQB by A test. As the triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. Therefore, we can write AP upon BQ is equal to AC upon BC. Therefore, putting the values, we get 7 upon 8 is equal to AC upon 12. On simplification, we get AC equal to 10.5. Okay. Next problem. In trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR. AR equal to 5AP, S equal to 5AQ. Then prove that SR is equal to 5PQ. Solution. In trapezium PQRS, side PQ is parallel to side SR. It is given. And also AR is equal to 5AP and AS is equal to 5AQ. We have to prove here SR is equal to 5PQ. As usual, we have to find out two triangles of which different conditions are given with respect to sides. I have shown these conditions in red color. These are the sides of triangle APQ and ARS. Therefore, we have to show these are similar triangles. Proof. In triangle APQ and triangle ARS, angle PAQ congruent angle RAS, vertically opposite angles. Angle QPA congruent angle ARS. These are the alternate angles formed by a transversal PR on parallel lines PQ and SR. Therefore, triangle APQ similar triangle ARS by A test of similarity. Therefore, PQ upon RS is equal to AP upon AR. That is a corresponding sides of similar triangle. Now putting the values, PQ upon RS is equal to 1 upon 5 because AR is equal to 5AP. That means AP upon AR is equal to 1 upon 5. Therefore, after cross multiplication, RS is equal to 5PQ. Therefore, SR is equal to 5PQ. Okay. Next problem. In trapezium ABCD, side AB parallel side DC, diagonal AC and BD intersect in point O. If AB is equal to 20, DC equal to 6, OB equal to 15, then find OD. Solution. Here, side AB parallel side DC. AB equal to 20, DC equal to 6, OB is equal to 15. Now, as usual, we have to show two triangles similar, of which the information is given. Now see, AB, DC, OB are the sides of triangle COD and triangle AOB. Now we have to show these two triangles similar by using given and observed conditions. In triangle COD and triangle AOB, angle COD congruent angle AOB, vertically opposite angles. Angle CDO congruent angle ABO, alternate angles formed by a transversal BD on parallel sides AB and DC. Therefore, triangle COD similar triangle AOB by a test. As we know, corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion. Therefore, CD upon AB is equal to OD upon OB. On putting the values, we get 6 upon 20 is equal to OD upon 15. On simplification, we get OD is equal to 4.5. Okay. Next problem. Quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. Point E is on side BC. Line D intersect ray AB in point T. Prove that D multiplied by B is equal to C multiplied by TE. Solution. In given we have to write quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. AB is parallel to DC. We have to prove DE multiplied by B is equal to CE multiplied by TE. Now observe the figure. What we have to do, as earlier we have seen, we have to prove two triangles similar. Which triangle? Now see what we have to prove. D multiplied by B is equal to C multiplied by T. Now D, B, C, T are the sides of the two triangles BET and CED. Therefore, we have to prove these two triangles are similar. Proof. In triangle BET and triangle CED, angle BET congruent angle CED, vertically opposite angles. Angle EBT congruent angle ECD, alternate angles formed by AB, that is AT, parallel DC, and BC is a transversal. Therefore, triangle BET similar triangle CED by A test. Therefore, BE upon C is equal to ET upon ED, corresponding sides of similar triangle. After cross multiplication, we get BE multiplied by ED is equal to C multiplied by ET. Therefore, BE multiplied by ED is equal to C multiplied by TE. Okay. Next problem. In the figure, segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. Prove that triangle ABP similar triangle CDP. Solution. Given. Segment AC and segment BD intersect each other in point P, and AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP. To prove triangle ABP similar triangle CDP. Now here we have to prove two triangles similar, and we have given that two pairs of corresponding sides of two triangles are in proportion. Then now we have to observe the figure and find out another one condition so that it will fulfill all the conditions to show two triangles similar. After observing the figure, we get angle APB congruent CPD, which are opposite angles. Okay. Then now we can write our proof like this. In triangle ABP and triangle CDP, AP upon CP is equal to BP upon DP, that is given. Angle APB congruent angle CPD, that is opposite angle. Therefore, triangle ABP similar triangle CDP by SAS test. Okay. Next problem. In the figure, in triangle ABC, point D on side BC such that angle BAC congruent angle ADC. Prove that CA square is equal to CB into CD. Solution. Write given. In figure, angle BAC equal to angle ADC. To prove CA square is equal to CB into CD. Proof. As earlier we have seen, we have to show two triangles similar. Fine. Which two triangles we have to show similar? We will get triangle ABC and triangle DAC. These two triangles we have to show similar. Write in proof. In triangle ABC and triangle DAC, angle BAC equal to ADC, that is given. Angle C equal to angle C, that is a common angle. Therefore, triangle ABC similar triangle DAC by a test. Therefore, as corresponding sides of similar triangles are in proportion, therefore BC upon AC is equal to AC upon DC. After cross multiplication, we get AC square is equal to BC into DC.